In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change to dark mode on GitHub. Whether you're working late at night or just prefer a darker interface to ease your eyes, switching themes on GitHub is a simple process. Let's walk through it together so you can customize your experience to better suit your preferences. To begin, you'll want to make sure that you're logged into your GitHub account. Once that's done, take a look at the top right corner of the screen. You should see your profile picture there. Click on it. This will open up a drop-down menu with several options related to your account settings. From the drop-down menu, go ahead and click on the option labeled Settings. This is where you can modify various aspects of your GitHub experience. It's essentially your control center for personalizing and fine-tuning how GitHub works for you. After you've opened your settings, take a look at the left sidebar. This sidebar is packed with different categories you can explore, but for now, focus on the one that says Appearance. Click on that, and it will take you to the section where you can change your theme. Now that you're in the Appearance section, you'll see several theme options under Theme Preferences. GitHub provides a few different looks you can choose from, depending on your visual preferences. Let's go over them. The first option is GitHub Light, which is the default light theme. If you're someone who prefers a bright, clean look with a white background, this might be your go-to. But if you're here to change to dark mode, you'll likely be more interested in the next few options. GitHub Dark is the standard dark theme. It's perfect if you want a straightforward dark interface that helps reduce eye strain, especially in low-light environments. The darker tones can be more soothing than the stark brightness of the light theme. If you're looking for something a bit softer, GitHub Dark Dimmed might be just the right choice. This theme provides a gentler dark experience with dimmer color contrasts, offering a subtler look that many find pleasing. And if you need something that offers even greater accessibility, the GitHub High Contrast options are available. These themes are designed to provide a high contrast between text and backgrounds, making content easier to read and navigate, particularly for those with visual impairments. Once you find the theme that speaks to you, simply click on it. One of the great conveniences of GitHub's design is that your theme changes instantly. There's no need to hunt for a save button. Your preference is applied right away. That's all there is to it. You've now successfully changed your theme on GitHub. Feel free to switch between these options anytime to find the one that best fits your needs. Enjoy customizing your GitHub experience to match your style.